Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Okay, now in this video today we have an open collaboration and it's a monthly one. It's a grocery haul and that's hosted by Snalltownsix and Myrose.nature. Now, I'm going to be linking the host and their channel links down below in the description box. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see everyone's grocery haul. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. So what I'm doing here is just moving stuff around in the cabinet just to make room for stuff. My son is bringing the bags in, so that's what I'm doing. But I did want to say that every time you click that like button, you help us YouTube content creators to grow on YouTube. So let's head on over to the clip, guys. We have a haul today. I don't want to put anything away unless I show you first. So let's do it. Okay, so we're going to start here. Now I did go to Walmart also. My local store is Giant Foods, so let's start with that. So we got some creamer. I got 2 of these. Okay, then we got 2 cream cheese. Okay. And here is the low sugar, 2 Goods yogurt. This is the yogurt that I use. This is the yogurt I have, I'm sorry. So I got 4 of those. Okay. Now this is the dog food I use to feed my little dogs. And so I think we got 6 cans. I got 6 cans of the blue. That's what I feed them. And we just get assorted flavors. Okay. We got 1 jar of the Smucker's Chunky Peanut Butter. And then we also got, this is new, I think I showed it to you in the last haul, but my son likes the tahini. So I got 1 of those. These are my pure sugar packets. This is organic stevia. This is what I use. Got 1 of these. So I also needed to get some eggs, so I got 2 of the large. Okay, so we got 1 bag of the hot fries. Then I got my son the family size Chex Mix. He can actually eat this in 1 sitting. So I'll put that over here. Okay, so I got 1 bag of the keto friendly granola. And then I needed some onions, so I got a bag of onions. Okay. And this is the bread that I use. Arnold's makes the keto bread. Okay, so I got this for myself. Then we cook with, I make egg sandwiches a lot for my sons. And so this time around I got the everything bagel. I tried to switch it up with other flavors, but this time around we got the store brand bagels. Those things don't even last long. I needed some of these steel scouring pads. The steel wool to scrub. So this was a 3-pack for $2.99. They made it $1 each. I don't know. I always figure that stuff out in my head. But I got a pack of these. Did I say that right? I don't even know if I said that right. But anyway. Then we got the chicken nuggets. This is quick for when you're hungry and you just want to eat something real quick. So I got one of those. I did get one package of the Hickory smoked sliced bacon. These things are so expensive now in the stores. Oh my goodness, the price. Crazy. So, 2 monsters. Had the same flavor because he likes this flavor. Okay, now we use this a lot, the shredded coleslaw cabbage, just shredded cabbage bag. So we got 6. We got 6 of these. Okay, now I have some other stuff to show you from Walmart. So let's head on over there. Okay, so I needed some paint because I have a project coming up. So this is the one that I got, and it is outdoor. Got one of those. And we can never have too much of these stir sticks because I can use these for DIYs if I don't use them for the actual paints. And then I just got one of these quick. This is a one-time project, so it comes with 2 rollers and the handle and the brush and the, you know what I mean. So I got that. And let's see. And now these are things I normally just regularly get, so I may as well just show them to you. I got some of the Garnier hairspray. And then the facial scrub. Okay, I got one of those. Let me see, which is this one? So this one is for blackhead clearing. My son got that one. And then this one is just the medicated one, cleanser. I don't think you can go wrong with the medicated one. So, and then I always just get these wipes just in case. All right, now I just happened to be in the area where they have like the scarves and the, I don't know why I was in that area, but anyway, they have these metallic, are you seeing what I'm looking at? Isn't that gorgeous? Look at this. Your mind can go very many places. Anyway, these beautiful scarves were literally on clearance for $3. So I got a silver one. I'm so happy I got that. Look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that is so gorgeous. Okay, so in here, and of course I got a gold one. And again, they were on clearance. I was looking all through their stuff, so I grabbed 1 silver and 1 gold. And yeah, I got plans for this, guys. I'm so happy. Okay, and also I needed an air conditioner. Let me take you over there. Okay, now Walmart had this air conditioner right here. I've never used this brand before, but I don't know. And it was pretty expensive, I thought, anyway, so I got one of these. This is going in my window today. Not that we have too warm of temperatures. We're at 61 right now here where I live. So that's pretty much all I got. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoyed the haul. So I hope you're having a good day. And yeah, if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.